Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 Million Challenge, so please stay tuned. In the previous video, we did a stock update on 3 stocks in the field of artificial intelligence. So please refer back to the previous video for details of these extremely promising 3 stocks. We also did an update on the case of Netlist versus Samsung and an update on this stock, so please refer back to the previous video again for an update of Netlist. So we're also going to have a quick look at the chart for today, as I think there was a great opportunity to buy in for anybody not in this stock. So we can see here the stock was down just in excess of 7% at $5.18. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 new penny stocks with huge upside potential. Before we do that, quick reminder of the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So this involves trying to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. We do take into account losses, so it's not 201 consecutive trades. As part of the challenge, you'll first of all get access to an exclusive in-depth strategy video which explains the challenge in more detail. You will also be part of the Discord community, which is now well in excess of 300, sharing due diligence, trading tips, research, buy alerts, etc. And in the Discord, you'll be able to chat and ask questions, read our FAQs, get access to the stock spreadsheet and also the leaderboard. In terms of the spreadsheet, this is updated weekly with low and medium risk stocks. It uses Google Finance Formula, so everything is live, and we also have color coordinated buy price targets, including green, red, blue and orange, indicating potential risky buy or potential buy. And we also have a leaderboard to celebrate success, so it's good in terms of motivational purposes. So details of this challenge in description below. First stock we're going to look at is ticker symbol IDRA, also known as Idea Pharmaceuticals. This is a stock that has been under significant pressure for approximately a year. On a high, this was trading around about $6.14. Right now on a low, recently it's been as low as 56 cents. So a huge comeback now. So in terms of going forward, the stock has certainly not been popular, but in terms of its drug development, the company has remained focused on identifying new development of commercial stage assets in terms of its portfolio. So the CEO has also stated there is definitely some great potential in its current pipeline. So if we have a look at its current pipeline, they are focusing right now on a study of patients with issues in terms of cancer. They have a treatment called Illuminate 206, and I think what's important from an investor point of view is they are looking at sharing results by the end of this year 2021. Let's have a look at the pipeline of developments for trials for the company. We can see here at the top for the Illuminate 301 trial is currently in phase 3, so certainly good in terms of clearing phase 1 and 2. The company also has other trials ongoing, currently phase 2 Illuminate 206, phase 1 trial Illuminate 101, and also a sponsored trial with AbbVie currently in phase 1. Let's now have a look at the stock forecast for IDRA, and we can see in terms of the ratings that are available from many of the analysts. We're looking at Barclays, which is the most prominent one, and they have an upside potential in this stock as much as $2. So this represents an upside potential in terms of a percentage of approximately 165% right now. Let's now have a look at the chart for this stock for today, and if we have a look at the screen here, this is a stock that is trading on the Nasdaq under ticker symbol IDRA, and we can see right now the stock has done extremely well today, up in excess of 31%, closing at $83. So certainly this huge price target of approximately $2 from Barclays has certainly been a great catalyst so far, and we're also expecting results later on this year, so certainly a stock to keep on our watch list. The next stock I'd like to share with you here is ticker symbol ABUS, also known as Arbutus Biopharma Corporation, and this is a company that is engaged in discovering and developing, commercializing a cure for patients suffering from chronic hepatitis B virus infection. So in terms of the general Statistics, we can see here this is a low float stock. It has a market cap of just in excess of $566 million. We can see in terms of the 52-week range, at one point this was trading around about $2.43, and on a high this was at $6.50. So this is a company that's based in Canada. Let's see what else we can see in terms of this stock. The next thing I'd like to share with you here in terms of one of the price targets for this deal. This is an article just released today, December the 8th, 2021. And we can see here that Abbas has received a buy rating from H.C. Wainwright. So that's good news. And what we can also see in terms of the target price here has been set at $8. So this represents an excellent upside potential in this stock. It's also been rated as a strong buy. We can see on tip ranks with an average price target here of $7, representing at least a 79% upside potential. Let's now have a look at the chart for this stock today. We can see this is trading on the NASDAQ, and we can see at close of play today this closed approximately $4.15 and was also up a very healthy 4.8%. The final stock I'd like to bring to your attention is ticker symbol BFRI, also known as Biofrontera. And we can see a quick profile of this company. This is a company that has recently IPO'd. It's also a company with an extremely low float, so potential squeeze stock as well. In terms of its overall outstanding share count, we're looking at 20 million shares right now. So definitely a stock that is going to be extremely volatile and also high risk. Let's have a look at some further details with regard to this company. We can see here it's recently launched its clinical study program to optimize and expand its market position for its Amulus treatment. This is an in-licensed FDA approved prescription for photodynamic treatment therapy in the United States. It's also began rolling out subjects in its phase 1 study of the safety and tolerability of its photodynamic therapy. So great potential here going forward. Let's now have a look at a recent change in the price target for this stock. We can see a headline here from investing.com. Biofrontera has been initiated with a buy at Roth Capital and the stock surges. So let's have a look at the details here. The company has seen its share price jump 135% to $16.19. This was around about 24th of November, and we can see shortly in terms of the chart today there was a pullback, but let's have a look at this details of this new change in the price target. So Roth Capital initiated the stock with a buy rating. So the stock, which did make its debut on October the 28th, has been declining since then with an intraday high of $4.99 at the start of November. But what's important for us as potential investors in this is the 12-month price target. So 12-month price target we can see here is a very staggering $20. So this is great potential, and with it being a low float stock, certainly huge potential for a squeeze going forward. And finally, just to finish off, let's have a look at the chart for close of play today for ticker symbol BFRI. We can see here the stock was up a very healthy 12.13% today, closing at $4.90. And if we have a look at the new price target of $20, then certainly the potential here is huge. And finally, just to finish off, if anybody would like to get advanced notification of such stocks and also to join us on our challenge, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.